Okay, guys. So today I'm going to explain you how to create a simple form. So I'm going to create it. So first I would write. So I'm creating a login form. So inside it I would take an import, and inside it there would be a type which would equals to text, and after that I would write a keyword which is required. So it tells that it's required. So watching it's showing an power here, and if I write anything then so what? Okay, if I write text, so I can't submit my text. So for that now, I would explain you how to make it submit, and I would write enter username. So I'm writing it before because it would know it's English, so it would print this, and after that there would be in this box. So not for watching it showing like this. But if I write it afterwards, and, and now if I write it, or would show it like this. You watching? So let me simply write my code as simple. Okay. After that, I would write and keyword enter email, and now I would write another keyword which would import also. So it's also import, but the type would equals to email. So now I would write required over here, and after that I would write a closing, and after that, so when you ever see a tag, it has a closing tag which is like this question, and here's a question should be written. So there are some tags which have no ending tags like import, and there's that I call it PR, and so many more tags. So I am writing asking the email over here, and after that enter password over here, and after that colon, and then import, and I would write type equals, so now it's password. So after that I would write required and close it up. After that, if I now open my page, so you're watching, it's showing it like this. So the username is eb, and my email could be eb@gmail.com. And after that, my passcode would be, I can write any password. So now on, I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But I can't submit it. And even I would add an, after that, I would write submit. No, I would write any text. Import, its type would be type somewhere. Now, I would just close it and now open it. Okay. Now, let me write an username, which is eb. Email should be eb at eb at gmail. So you're watching if I write and now if I submit, it isn't submitting. Nothing is happening. So I would tell you what's nothing is happening. So whenever I create a form, I have to write a form keyword, and there should be a server. So I've created action.php. It's embedded for now on. So after that, I would write action, which is an attribute, which would equals to action. I would write my file name over here, which is action.php. Now, after that, I would write method, which would equals to post. I'm gonna write it as post. So I'll close it. And then you're watching it's creating an empty tag by itself. I'll copy it, and I don't want it at over here. So I want it at the end. Now And now I would select this. I would press tab. You're watching it's added. So now I've added, and now if I open my code, I'll browser. You're watching it. Submit now. So it's saying please fill out this field before submitting. If I write AB over here, then I would say please fill out this field because it said required. So now if I write AB and you're watching it's giving error so add, please enter following that. And now I could write Outlook or any type. So I'm writing outlook.com. And after that I can write password which is 123 plus. Submit. So you're watching the string action.php. So I don't have write anything inside my code, so it's giving this error. Okay, so I will. So now how task to take this on the next line. So I told you the keyword which was upgrade PR keyword after this, which takes it to the next line. So I was telling you that there are some things which doesn't take all the space, like if I open inspect. Let me show you. So watching it if I plus this and hover on it. So this is all the form because the form is taking all the space. But this is the input which is just taking this much space. And this is the input which is just taking this much space. And this is the input which is taking just this much space. It doesn't take all the space. So that means it would write it after here. So this is the after that you were watching it's writing code injected by that server. So it's added by it so that it's like reload and so this is why how it's doing it. Now you're watching as I write the PR keyword, it's going down. I should also write a PR keyword over here. And also a PR keyword over here. And I should also write a PR keyword over here. Okay. Oh, that. Okay. After that, this should be also invented. Oh, this is how my form would look now. Check. And now I can write username over here, password over here, and I got some bad. So it's giving me error. So now this okay. So this is the end for today. So keep practicing and keep learning. So bye.